Yesterday my friend shared me this image and asked how is it. I was surprised to see the image and suddenly asked him how did he made this. He came to me and told that he himself created this model. I was shocked. Then laughingly he said it was not him who created this model. It was AI who helped him to generate this kind of model. I was curious and asked him to tell me the process of how we can generate this kind of images. After convincing him for a long time, he finally revealed the process. Now, as I am aware of the process, I want to teach you how you can generate this kind of images. So let's go. First, select your reference image. You can select any. I have already downloaded a reference image. I'll show you my reference image. This is my reference image. Now open any browser and search Nano Banana. Open this link nanobanana.ai. You can sign in with any Google account. Initially you will get 2 credits. Click on start editing. So before proceeding, you can copy the prompt as shown on the screen. So in reference image, add the same image. Now just click on generate now and wait until the AI does its magic. As you can see, the photo is ready. You can download it directly. Now my image is ready. I can show it to my friend. So apart from this, if we want to learn another vital AI tricks and videos, you can always check out this playlist. So see you in the next video.